This monthly challenge is all about a fire. I did a tutorial last week about a fire effect in Photoshop, so if you didn't check it out, go back, watch it, because you will need it for this one. Hey guys, it's Nemanja and welcome to another fun monthly challenge. As I already said, this time it's all about a fire. So you will need to grab your phones or your cameras, whatever you want, go outside, take a photo of yourself or your friend and create the best possible fire effect you can. Everything is allowed, do whatever you want, just create a fire effect. And then send me your final JPEG image to nemanjaschallenge@gmail.com, and with that send me a link to any of your social networks like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, etc. Because I will pick 3 best done and most creative images and give them a big shout out on my YouTube channel and on my Instagram stories. So make sure to send me your final images until the end of September. So September 30th is the end date for sending images. After that I will take a few days to go through all those images and to pick 3 best done and most creative files. Good luck to all you guys, have fun doing it, and see you soon. Bye bye.